handling a Cognizant account, but I am working in a small organization.
Okay. So which kind of
Yes,
work
ma'am.
you do? Can you elaborate a bit about your role?
Sure, ma'am. Actually, I'm working as an account manager. So first of all, I have two customers in USA, but actually generally I talk to them via email. Like I don't talk to over the call usually. So here, what my role and responsibility is, like first of all, suppose if my customer AT&T, they are demanding the candidate like for particular role, like for Java developer, for .NET developer. So it's kind of a recruitment type job. So currently I am handling a 10 to 12 people. So my work here is I analyze the requirement, and according to that, then I screen the candidate, and then I send the resume to customer.
Okay, okay. So I have most of learners, all are professionals. So whether we are preparing for TOEFL, IELTS or PT or any profession we are going for interview, our focus and purpose is only to be comfortable in English. Huh? And we all of us
Yes.
are after learning formal English rather than normal English. So I wouldn't suggest you to read anything like newspaper or something, watching any Netflix or something. No, nothing. Why? Because we never use these kind of language in our daily life, right? So even if we see
Yes.
a lot of these things, I don't think we are going to use. And the second thing, if you talk about newspaper, like newspaper language, we never use them in our life. So what we are going to do here, we are going to talk only, and only sometime I'll be sharing my screen where I'll be sharing few of the strategies with you which will make you so confident while speaking. Like instead you use this way, better ways to say something. Like it will be better to say this thing rather saying this thing. Okay. So firstly I want to
Okay.
talk with you like any where you are having the problem. Most of them they say like, well, I interact with my clients, so they are from USA. Yeah? So they talk in American accent, so I cannot get them. Do you have also the same problem or not?
My main problem is that like what I have been facing. Actually, I can understand easily. Even on daily basis, sometimes I take meetings. So even they are US citizen, so I can understand easily like what they want for particular, and even completely I understand. Sometimes maybe like, but 95% I am I can understand. But when it comes to speaking, you know what, last just recently I have completed a product management course from IIT Roorkee. Even I cracked exam. I cracked the exam, or I faced the interview. But I think I think they found in me like I am very confident, because at that time of interview, so one of professor, like they were saying me like you are good to go, but you need to focus on your com skill. So last 2 weeks ago, so I faced the interview. So within 5 to 10 minutes, when if like they talk about my profession or whatever, I came across with the different type of questions, like behavioral question, and then within 1 or 2 minutes, I just even at that time I was not able to explain like what I do on like what is my task on daily basis, because I think I need to lot of practice, because I don't interact with people and I don't speak.
Exactly.
Although I have completed BTech in computer engineering, but ma'am, actually I think till now I didn't get any environment, and even I didn't put my efforts, to be very honest.
What is the problem? Even if we start speaking, someone focus us like as we are doing something very bad. Here it is the, you can say, speciality of our India. Like if you start talking, whether you are in
Yes.
Delhi or in Kanpur or anywhere, and if you start talking, then
Even I have.
yes.
Yes, ma'am. So I have taken like 3 4 courses, from different uh, online, or even I joined one, but I think they focus more on grammar, or because till now I have taken 2 3 group classes, not individual one-to-one session. So I think I didn't improve, and I didn't practice.
Yes, yes. Actually, we
So
will use
yeah.
here grammar. We will use here grammar, but we are not going to learn grammar as we are comfortable in our mother tongue, but we haven't learned the grammar. We learned as a language, it is other thing. Even if we haven't learned that time, we didn't learn, but we were able to speak in Hindi. Right? If we go to the grammar, Hindi grammar exam, we are not going to score well. Right? Same as we will speak here, only speak. And while speaking, if you're making mistake, I will feel the filler here. That is all. Means we are not going to learn.
Yeah.
Apart
Even ma'am, I am looking a long-term classes, like not for 1 month or 2 months,
Yes.
because I want to do in advance. Because like as a product manager, so my daily task will be with talking to customer and talking to team. So I think com skill is my first priority,
Yeah,
prior
sure.
skill.
Okay, how much you
So I am
spend
looking
time,
like,
how much you spend time with me, that much I will keep adding, because most of my learner, they are interested to learn more and more. They are with me more than 1 year. Daily we have been talking on any topic, like we pick after 1 year, you will feel like we have discussed almost every topic. There isn't any topic which we haven't discussed till now. So what happened, like if we cover all the topic, then we will start talking about the old time, like king time, this time, that time. So this way our vocabulary will be fit, like each and everything we are discussing there here. Then it happens.
yeah,
Okay.
even one of guy, like from him, I have taken your number.
Okay.
So
Okay.
so he introduced me about like you should go on YouTube with Shalu ma'am. Then I
Okay.
like I watched like 2-3 sessions.
Yeah. And like if I'm asking how was your day, so even if it was not very good, but you will tell the thing which you faced. Like it was a hellish day, it was negative meaning hellish day. Sometimes what happens, like what you are trying, it is not going to fulfill what you have planned. Since morning I planned to do a lot of things, but I couldn't do it. It was a hellish day. What I tried, it was not productive one, it was unproductive, huh? So unproductive, productive, or it was a hellish day, these are the words. And also on the other hand, you can add my day was quite well. What are the things I wanted to do, I completed all my tasks, my day was quite positive and productive. So this way we will learn here 4 to 5 vocabs. So the means we are learning vocab. I am not going to give you any session particular for vocab like this thing or that thing. Just talk and learn. Okay. So okay, and these are things also I teach in IELTS session. Like if you are going to IELTS, have you ever thought or have you ever heard about IELTS exams?
Yes, ma'am. Even I want to join IELTS classes after, because I want to go abroad.
Okay.
But not initially, like after 6 to 7 months.
Okay, so people are comfortable in written, they are okay. Why? Because you daily do, you don't, means you have to do a lot of written work, so you are comfortable, you have already read a lot of things, you are good at reading. But when it comes to listening or speaking, they are quite nervous. Why? Because they have to interact, and when they are going to encounter the person who is quite fluent and it's their mother tongue actually, so they are really scared being judged by others. They'll think like now they are going to scan me. So even if they know the words, they are going to be scared and tongue tied. That's called tongue tied. No?
Yes.
कि हमारा बिल्कुल बोलती बंद हो जाती है. So that is the
Yes,
condition.
yes. Same I am facing this. Even like I practice on daily basis, like 15 to 20 minutes whenever I get a chance. So I start practicing. But when it comes to speaking in front of anyone, then I feel like blank, totally blank. Even I can't speak a single single line like what I did today.
No problem. I've also gone through the same. I can relate. That's why I all the time say to my learner, I have already gone through the same, because I'm also from Hindi medium. And I think all the trainers from Hindi medium. Why? Because the thing which you are expecting to feed yourself, it means you are craving for that. So they are all the crazy learners who are trainers. If you talk about any trainer, and I am sure like he belonged to a Hindi medium. That's why he's crazy for learning more and more. And still I'm learning. Okay, so what happens, like when you are talking with someone, why we go blank? Because we think like other person is more intelligent than us, but that's not true.
Yes.
That's not true, I'm telling you. Still I'm learning. It is other thing, like it was my subject, I have completed my masters in this, so obviously I have given my 10 years, and I can see if I share my experience this way, I can add here 3 to 4 phrasal verbs or idioms. Like I have burnt the midnight oil. I have burned the midnight oil. I have so many dog-eared books. Dog-eared books means if you read any book, then we turn the corner of the pages, and that corner looks like a dog ear. So in idiom, if you talk about, so I have so many dog-eared books. Okay, I have burned the midnight oil, and I took my time with it. So if I speak like this, so at least you will pick here one idiom, not all, but one idiom at least. Two,
Yes.
3, 4 times if you listen, and daily we will be talking, so I'll be using a lot of idioms like Sidhu. It is in my habit. Like Sidhu ji. So it is in my
Okay.
habit. What happens? What I do, the things which I'm learning, I try to use all of them so that I don't have to go for revision. So if I'm speaking here, anytime if I speak, so I try to use all the synonyms what I have in my mind. So this way I 3 or 2 word I add. So this way I can also revise. You can also learn from me. Like also I can say this thing or that thing or that thing. Okay. So this way I will feed your brain. And we girls are very good at
Sure.
talking. That is obvious now. I have okay. So let's talk about
Yeah.
hobbies. What about your hobbies?
Like I go to gym,
Okay.
or what else I do.
Okay, you are not into social media?
I use social media, but not much. Like I don't have
big on
Facebook or
I'm not big on social media. I
yeah.
I use, but I'm not big. I'm not into it, or I'm not big on social media.
I'm not big on social
तीसरा
media.
तरीका, I'm not a social media person. मैं भी नहीं हूँ. Yeah. So I can say 3 ways. I'm not a social media person. I'm not big on these things. I'm not big on, हम किसी के साथ भी use कर सकते हैं. I'm not big on politics. I'm not big on sports. So I'm not big on these things. और तीसरा क्या है, I'm not into it. I'm not into it. Into it मतलब इन सब में मैं नहीं हूँ.
So ma'am, can I note down this?
I will send you. धीरे धीरे करके मैं आपको नोट सेंड करूंगी. मेरे पास सारी चीज़ों का रिटर्न है. मैं आपको PDF सेंड कर दूंगी. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, you'll have to talk to me. Just enjoy talking me as a friend. Don't consider me your teacher. I said to all my learners, just consider me your friend and just talk freely. As much free you feel here, that much you will start talking. And I want you to be free. That's why. Okay. So I'm
Okay,
not
sure, ma'am.
into social media and all these things. Okay. And
So, ma'am, according to you, if I on daily basis, by the way, I'm sorry, I'm in between, I'm interrupting to you. So, on daily basis, what should like I do for speaking?
no, nothing. That is the main purpose. That is the plus point of my class. You don't have to do anything. You have to just enjoy English. Enjoy talking with me. As actually we girls, or I think boys, I'm not sure about boys, but we girls like talking a lot. So if you are investing your 1 hour or 2 hour talking with you someone, whether it is your friend or someone, so I think totally you are wasting your time. But if you are spending your here time 1 hour, so in 1 hour you will be learning a lot of things. Vocab plus grammar plus confidence from, how do we get confidence? Have you ever thought कि हमें confidence आता कहाँ से है? Like how do we get our confidence?
When we feel comfortable with in front of our person.
Yes, when we are confirmed about the concept, anything. If I talk about, if I ask any question related to your profession, you will be confident telling me, huh? But if I ask any other profession related question, you are going to be nervous, obvious, because you don't have experience about it. So we get confidence from our experience. And now I can say you can ask me 100 question related English. How I can say you this thing? Because I have learned, I have invested my time. That's why I can say, right? So ये हमें confidence कहाँ से आता है? क्योंकि हमने अपना time दिया है. So that is the thing which you are doing here. Not only you are enjoying, but also you are grabbing here something. So which will give you confidence. And we will clear the concept. Clear the concept, for example, in or on का most of the time we stuck using preposition. So मैं आपका concept clear करूँगी कि इस context में हमें in लगाना है, इसमें on लगाना है. If your context is clear, then you are going to talk very confidently. What happens? Sometimes we have heard any word from other person and we started using it, but we are not confident. Why? Because we are not confirm about it. We have only heard. So we start mumbling and we wish like other person who is more knowledgeable than us, may he is guessed me or he is trying to judge me or not. So that is the reason we mumble. But if you are confident about any word you have learned from any dictionary or something, you are going to speak very confidently. That is called firm voice. इसको क्या कहते हैं? Firm voice. जब हम कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं तो हमारी फर्म वॉइस आती है, बिल्कुल साफ साफ आवाज में हम बोलते हैं. जबकि क्या होता है, समटाइम्स हमने कोई वर्ड सुन लिया किसी से, हम बहुत श्योर नहीं होते, लेकिन लगता है बोलना है इसको, इसका मीनिंग ये होता है, बोल सकते हैं. और अगर सॉरी आपसे किसी ने कहा उसको बोलते हो, आप डर जाओगे कि मैंने गलत बोल दिया. तो ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि आप कोई चीज़ बोल रहे हैं, जो चीज़ मैं आपको एक एक वर्ड दूंगी ना, उसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट भी बताऊंगी, इसमें आपको कॉन्फिडेंट भी बनाऊंगी, आपको इस तरह से यूज़ करना है, तो आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाओगे. दैट्स ऑल. A lot of colors are here, uncountable. So I can ask you what is your favorite color. Means normally I'm asking what is your favorite color, but if there is some option, then I will ask you which is your favorite color. So it applies all the time. जैसे कोई movie है, we are discussing here any horror movie, then I would ask you which one horror movie you like most. So which one, क्योंकि category है, हम discuss कर रहे हैं horror. Otherwise, what is your favorite movie? हम normally.
What is your favorite?
Yeah, when we have option, then we will use which. Otherwise, what? Okay, these are the concept.
Okay.
And now we will clear the concept of in and on. तो in and on का क्या होता है? जैसे कोई भी चीज़ है, जब आपको कवर्ड होती है तो आप इसमें in को यूज़ करते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल चेयर है, सेम चेयर है, अगर आप उस पर बैठे हो आप ऑन भी बोल सकते हो, इन भी बोल सकते हो. अभी जैसे मेरी ये आर्म्स वाली चेयर है, इस पर मैं इन बोलूँगी, आई एम सिटिंग इन द चेयर. अदरवाइज आर्म्स नहीं है तो आई एम सिटिंग ऑन द चेयर. बेड पर भी यही अप्लाई होता है, आई एम सिटिंग ऑन द बेड, बट आई हैव कवर्ड माई सेल्फ विद क्विल्ट, sheet or blanket, then I'm in the bed. This is the concept. What happens sometimes we hear like I'm on the bed and I'm in the bed, we are confused. Now our concept is clear. Now second time we are going to be confident, I'm sitting on the or I'm sitting in the bed. Okay.
Okay.
Same applies in balcony. Like if you are saying I'm walking on my balcony, I'm walking on my terrace, so it is okay on all the time we apply for terrace. But if it is covered, it depends which kind of balcony. So it depends. You can also say in, and other person can make you fun like how are you saying like in the balcony? How is it possible? Then you can say confidently it is possible because my balcony is covered. It is covered area. So these are the concepts which we need to clear. Okay. So next thing, we were talking about hobbies. Okay. So are you into outdoors or indoors?
Outdoors.
Outdoors. Most people are liking these days like outdoors. Okay. So when you discuss any time about your hobbies, you'll have to use ing. I've seen people saying I like to do this thing. No, you have to choose the option I like doing this thing. Okay.
Okay, I like doing this.
And if you like so much to do something, then I love to do this thing. I love doing this thing. I love going. I love swimming. Love means you like very much.
Very much. So, like, I like doing exercise. I like doing yoga.
Yes.
I like doing listening music. Listen music.
Listening to music. After listen, all the time you are supposed to add to. Without to, you cannot use listen alone. हाँ, सब बस छोटी छोटी सी कंडीशंस है सबकी, वो कंडीशंस हमें समझनी है, फिर हम बिल्कुल क्लियर और बिल्कुल करेक्ट बोलने लगेंगे. लिसन
करेक्ट.
जब मैंने लर्न किया मुझे भी ऑड लगा. जैसे अभी मुझे बोलना है कि आई वॉन्ट टू लिसन टू अ सॉन्ग, ये क्या होता है? लेकिन लिसन टू होना चाहिए. आई एम लिसनिंग टू यू, आई एम लिसनिंग यू नहीं, आई एम लिसनिंग टू यू. ओके.
आई एम लिसनिंग.
आई लव लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक. थोड़ा ऑड साउंड होता है लेकिन करेक्ट है. आई एम लिसनिंग, आई लव लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक. हम इस तरीके से बोलेंगे. ओके.
Okay.
You are into outdoors. So what are the things, what are the activities you enjoy outdoors?
Outdoors, like I like going to sports complex.
Okay.
And there I like doing some exercise.
Okay.
Like sometimes playing basketball or running while listening to music.
Okay. I also do the same. And I'm also doing a lot of exercise. I love outdoors. And I have, means not recently, it has been now 5 months. Have you ever seen, I hope you have seen, like flying board? Flying board.
What is it, ma'am? Flying board?
Flying board, huh? Flying board is that with the water flow, it goes up. And you can enjoy just there is a one boy instructor, you can say, with whom and he will hold your waist and he will go up with you, and there is a water flow in that. I hope you
Oh,
must
okay,
have
okay,
seen,
okay.
right? That is in trend
I
in
came
reels.
across such kind of videos on Instagram.
Yeah, right. Ever since I've seen these kind of videos, I'm really means craving for these kind of things. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
But this is our far fetched dream. अब मैंने बोला far fetched dream. Far fetched dream मतलब क्या है? Which is almost impossible to apply, but there is a some possibility of fulfill that wish. कुछ एक चीज़ें होती हैं ना जो हमारी हॉबीज में होती हैं, तो हम बोल सकते हैं इट इज़ इन माई रियली फार फेच ड्रीम. फार फेच ड्रीम मतलब जो कि काफ़ी पूरे होने की कम संभावना है, लेकिन मुझे ये पसंद है. नॉर्मली हम बोलते हैं कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल हैं, पूरी तरह से नहीं, बट इट इज़ हम अगर चाहे कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ फार फेच ड्रीम. और एक चीज़ और मैंने यूज़ की करी, एवर सिंस आई वॉच दैट रील. जब से मैंने देखा है वो रील, तब से मेरा मन कर रहा है उस चीज़ को एंजॉय
Ever
करने
since.
का. तो एवर सिंस के साथ जब से आपने मुझे वो टिप्स दिया, तब से मुझे बहुत फ़ायदा मिला. सो एवर सिंस, ओके, एवर सिंस you told me, or ever since you gave me that suggestion, I have been applying, I have been getting the benefit of it. तो ever since के साथ हम, जब से उसने मुझे मना किया साथ जाने से, मैंने उसे बात करनी बंद कर दी. ever since he refused to come with me, I stopped talking with him. I have stopped क्यों बोल रहे हैं, मैंने बंद कर दिया है रिसेंट. अच्छा, इसका बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है लोगों को कि मैंने उससे बात करनी बंद कर दी है या कर दी थी. मतलब ऐसा क्या इसमें है, मुझे लगता है कंफ्यूजिंग नहीं है, लेकिन ज़्यादातर लोग मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ये कर दिया है या कर दिया था. डिपेंड करता है कि आपकी सिचुएशन क्या है. हमें हिंदी में कोई नहीं बताता है कि मैंने कर दिया है या कर दिया था. दोनों चीज़ें हम खुद से डिसाइड करते हैं. इंग्लिश में भी हम ही
Yes, ma'am.
डिसाइड करेंगे. ओके. सो एवर सिंस अगर हम बोल रहे हैं जब से उसने ऐसा किया मैंने उससे बोलना बंद कर दिया, तो हम यहाँ हैव ना लगा कि आई स्टॉप्ड टॉकिंग, क्योंकि उसने पास्ट में किया ना, तब से मैंने उससे बोलना बंद कर दिया. कैन यू रिलेट इट?
Yes, ma'am. Ever since I stopped talking.
जब से उसने मुझे साथ ले जाने से मना किया, ever since he refused to
Ever since
take me
he refused to
take me with
take
him,
me to
with him,
take me to with him,
I stopped talking with him.
I stopped talking
नहीं,
with
आप
him.
करेक्ट, आप ग्रामर करेक्ट बोल रहे हो. अभी तक मैंने जितना नोटिस किया आप ग्रामर करेक्ट बोल रहे हो. थोड़ी थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स हो तो सबको होती हैं, वो हम करेक्शन करेंगे, लेकिन आपको बस फ्लो मेंटेन करना है और आपको आर्टिकुलेशन सीखना है. आर्टिकुलेशन इन द सेंस लाइक इफ यू आर एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ वाइडली एंड कोरिहेंटली इन द सेंस कि कुछ ऐसा ना जाए एज मच यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज यू नीड टू बी कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश, राइट? सो हाउ मच आई गेस. So this is the thing which you are expecting me. Okay, definitely. So हमने
Yes,
ever
ma'am.
since, बस ये छोटे छोटे से जो ये वर्ड्स हैं ये बहुत हेल्प करते हैं हमें चीज़ों को बहुत अच्छे से बताने में. जितना मैं बोलती जाऊंगी आपको एक्सप्लेन करती जाऊंगी. दिस इज द वन वे टू लर्न. Also, I have the another way to make you learn. If you want weekly or twice a week, I can share you my notes. I can elaborate you like this is the use. जैसे मैंने ever since बोला ना, मेरे पास पूरे conjunctions के linking words के पूरे सेशन है जिसमें पूरा लिस्ट है, और उसमें 10 मैंने सेंटेंसेस क्रिएट करके रखे हैं. वो सेंटेंसेस,
Yes.
हर एक सेंटेंस हम डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं. वो सेंटेंस नहीं है जो हम बुक में पाते हैं, वो सेंटेंस है जो हम डेली यूज़ करते हैं. तो अगर आप चाहो तो मैं उसको भी आपको ट्वाइस अ वीक, थ्राइस अ वीक एज यू आर कंफर्टेबल आई वांट टू शो यू. देन आई वांट टू डिस्कस विद यू. दिस इज एवर सिंस एंड दिस इज लेस्ट और दिस इज until or unless थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग लगता है लोगों को, बट इट इज क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल.
Oh, one more thing, ma'am. Like if suppose if you taught me some like 2-3 words or 2-3 whatever you like, you will be teaching me. So after like completed the session, then you can share me a otherwise
Sure.
video link or whatever you have, so that I can like whenever I get a chance, so I will prepare
No,
accordingly.
I will send you. That is my responsibility to send you the whole PDF what I'm teaching you today. I will send you.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. But as while discussing, we are adding here few words like it is from this session, it is from that session. So I think it could be
Yeah,
a bit,
you are right.
yeah, it can be a bit impossible, but how can I just go to all session and pick these words? Okay, otherwise if I teach you anytime, I will send you the whole PDF. Even if I don't teach you,
Yeah,
I
whole
will send
PDF would be great. I will check it out, like what I did learn today. So according to that, I can practice, and
yeah.
rest of words then next day, like whenever you will be teaching, then I will prepare accordingly
Yeah,
after
it's our first
check.
day, so we are talking here. We will be also talking, and 30 minutes we will be learning. 30 minutes we will be talking. Okay, it will be also better
Okay.
option. So I will be sharing my screen where you can see all my notes, and also you will be able to see my face. I'll be just talking to you and sharing with you like this thing or that thing we will be talking about. I will also ask you to add 2 or 3 sentences so that I could just whether you're comfortable using it or not. Okay. So